I am back with another video. I have another Firmoo or Firmoo UK glasses try on for y'all. I got a few pairs of glasses here that I want to show y'all and let y'all see how they look and everything in case you're on the search for some new glasses. You can get your prescription put in Firmoo glasses, or you can just order them and order the frames and take them to your eye doctor. Either way, but they do allow you to put your prescription in there if you want to make it easier on yourself and you know your prescription, but you can always call your eye doctor to figure out your prescription. So yeah, I have 3 pairs of glasses here and we're gonna get into it. So, and this is my second collaboration with Firmoo. I really love them down. They have such cute frames, affordable prices and everything. And I do have a coupon for y'all, a coupon code for y'all to use. It's going to be right here. And also I have a link as well. You'll get 50% off of a pair of frames. So this is the first pair. And I'm going to have the names of them on the screen as well so you can find them. But this is how this pair looks. It has like, it's giving mermaid vibes, as you can tell, because it has the mermaid fins on the side. But this is how they look. Super cute. And y'all know I love square frames because I feel like it brings out my face. So, hold on. Oh, Jesus. There we go. Excuse the ring light glare. This is how the first pair looks. Let me turn it down a little bit. Yes, super duper cute. Super duper cute. And I just love the colors. I think the colors look so well with my skin tone personally and everything. And then the case that it comes in, you can actually use this to clean your lens of your glasses, which is super cute as well. But this is the first pair. Super cute. I love them. So next we have just a case like this. And then this is how this pair look. As you can see, I kind of went with like the same color theme, kind of like the blues and the purple. But these are not square. These are actually a cat eye frame, but I still like the way a cat eye frame looks on my face as well. Super duper cute. Any big frame is for me personally, but these are super cute. Yeah, I really like them. Once again, the colors look super duper cute on me and everything. But let's get into the detail of the glasses. So as you can see, it's kind of like a tie-dye effect, but it's got pink and it's got blue and dark blue. Super duper cute. So once again, the name of the glasses is going to be on the screen. This is how they look. And then I can show you how they look on me one more time. So if you kind of like have a rounder face, a round oval face like me, this is how they would be given on you. But I didn't show you like the details of the frame. It's like a circle and it got the gold detailing in the metal. So okay, yeah. And this last pair is a pretty popular pair. I've been seeing everybody with these glasses and I just think they're super duper cute and honestly had to have them. But it is this pair of glasses. I know y'all done seen these glasses. I know y'all done seen them. Super cute. Once again, it's a square frame. And this is how they look. Like, these are like, this is like an everyday pair of glasses. Like a staple everyday frame right here. Super duper cute. Comfortable. Like your basic frame with a little bit of extra smunk and everything to it. Yeah. Super duper cute. Yes. We love these. We love these. Like I said, these are a popular pair. I've seen these frames all over social media. So, can't go wrong with them. Personally, one of my faves. So, yeah. I'm super excited with the frames that I picked out. Like I said, I love Firmoo. I've worked with them before. Their glasses are super affordable. And they got anything for anybody. Like, anything for anybody, whether you like basic, you know, simple, just get to it, I'm just wearing my glasses because I have to wear them, or whether you like my glasses are my accessory, like me, if I'm wearing them, they're gonna be giving the girls what they need. They got all of that, and they're affordable, and you can get your prescription put in them if you wear a prescription or unlike me, I don't have a prescription anymore for glasses, so I just wear glasses just to wear them. But whether you need a prescription or not, and you can get the blue light lenses on them as well, so that if you are staring at a computer for long periods of time, it will help your eyes not be so, you know, dry and affected by the lights. So yeah, get you some. It's going to be linked, coupon codes, all that. Going to be in the description as well as on the screen. So make sure you go check them out and use that code so you can save some coins. Because we love 50% off. Don't we? We do. But yeah, I'll see y'all.